In this lesson, we will discuss HCF, which stands for highest common factor. Here we are using the numbers to find out the highest common factor. In the last lessons, we have discussed the HCF, but we will using the algebraic expressions in which variables were also included. So first of all, I told you that you have to read the question 2 or 3 times and you have to see what is the requirement of the question. Then everything or every question will be easy for you. So in this question, he says that Vakas has 128 bananas and 176 apples. He wants to distribute apples and bananas among certain number of children. He does not know how many children, but certain number of children. So this is actually the requirement. You have to find out this what is the certain number of children. See, Vakas wishes to distribute 128 bananas and 176 apples equally among certain number of children. Find the highest number of children who can get the fruit in this way. So simple. So see, 128 and 176. So 128 will be the divisor and 176 will be the dividend. I told you that dividend, this is called the dividend and this is the divisor. Dividend should be greater than the divisor or equal to the divisor, but it cannot be less than the divisor. So that is why 76 will be in the middle, which is the dividend, and this is the divisor. So we will divide it, whatever we have learned in 4th and 5th grade, 128, 1 time 128. And then we have to subtract, we will get 48. So see, now 48 is less than, now this is, if I say this is the dividend, I told you dividend should be equal to the divisor or greater than the divisor, but it cannot be less than. So this is less than, and we have to solve this question until we get 0. So in this way, we will make 48 as a divisor and 128 will be dividend now. So 48, 2 times 96. Right, what is remaining? Now subtract it, we will get 32. Now again 32 is lesser than 48. So 32 will be the divisor and 48 will be the dividend. 32, 1 time 32. What is remaining? 16. Now 16 is the divisor and 32 will be the dividend. 16, 2 times 32. Now we will get 0. I told you we have to solve this question unless or until we get 0. So what makes it 0? 16. So 16 is the HCF, or 16 is the required number of children, certain number of children. So there are 16 children, right, for which Vakas distribute 128 bananas and 176 apples equally. So simple. Again, one more time. This is called the dividend. This is the divisor. Dividend should be equal to the divisor or greater than. That is why 176 is the dividend. So when we will get, okay, here when we subtract it, it is 48. 48 is less than the divisor. So it means now this is the divisor and 128 will be the dividend. You have to solve this question until or unless you will get 0. And here, do not worry about this one, 48. What makes it 0? 16. So 16 is the HCF. If it's still any point is not clear, you can ask me in the comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy. And thanks for watching.